Hi everyone, this is Dhanwantesh. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about machine learning in artificial intelligence towards a common understanding. This is not a title. This is from research paper where I referred the research paper to get this content, which has been discussing in the furthermore PPT slides. So this is not just a uh, video about the artificial intelligence. It's a like emotions created in the machine learning in artificial intelligence, where I have studied the research paper in detail, so I can explain to you guys in a simple words. So what are the slides, what are the pages in this ppt? It's gonna be more helpful for you guys to come across like in a small content, which has been like you will get like 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes you're gonna cover up this research paper instead of moving for 5 to 6 hours in digging with this research paper. So what is the main agenda? Abstract introduction, artificial intelligence, and research priorities for machine learning, embedded AI conclusion. So these are the agenda of this video. Let's move. So before going forward, so let us think this: why is the abstract needed? This abstract is nothing but, so instead of covering up all the details in the research paper, so what you are going to study, what are the benefits from the research paper, you will get to know this in the first itself, the first paragraph, which is the abstract one. So then instead introductions, and at last we will have a conclusion which has been included in this same as well. So the next is abstract. So AI covers all the machine learning and deep learning models, right? So data science covers all the AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So abstract. So in recent years, the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence has gained significant popularity. So in 2017, when we got with like years ago, Mark Zuckerberg, which who has introduced AI in his Facebook for tracking terrorist attacks like terrorist messages and then spam messages or some irregular or spam things. So in that time only we have where the Facebook has developed the AI. So no, on that time where the AI is evolved from 19s only. It is not evolved from 20s. Okay, from long ago it has been evolved from. We are coming up now with open AI softwares or much more things. So these terms are often mentioned in both scientific context and media. However, they are sometimes used interchangeably and can have different meanings, right? So this work aims to clarify how these two concepts relate to each other, particularly focusing on how machine learning contributes to the development of artificial intelligence. So this work aims to clarify how these, right? So how can I help these things, right? So, well, this work aims to clarify how these two concepts relate to each other. So, particularly focusing on how machine learning contributes to the development of artificial intelligence. And our goal is to provide a clear understanding of these terms and encourage discussion and future research in these interdisciplinary fields. Introductions. AI and machine learning popularity. AI tools are widely used for tasks like identifying hate speech and terrorist propaganda. I have said previously, like in 2017, where Mark Zuckerberg has been his company Facebook has adopted this AI for use it for like tasks like identifying hate speech or and terrorist propaganda. So terminology confusion. AI and machine learning are often used interchangeably, which can lead to misunderstanding. Purpose of this paper. So why I've been covered this paper means to clarify the relationship between AI and machine learning. The aim of my video is to clarify the relationship between AI and machine learning, focusing more on how machine learning contributes to creating AI agents or intelligent agents. In AI, there are three types. One is narrow AI, and second one generative AI, and then third is strong AI. So before going further, framework contribution enhances existing theoretical frameworks by breaking down the thinking layer of intelligent agents. So structure. The paper reviews literature, presents a new framework, and suggests future research directions. The next is artificial intelligence. So in this artificial intelligence, what I am going to cover is the AI research streams, rational agent rights, types of agents, and agent environment frameworks. So this application tool thinking, acting, as well as humanly and rationally, right? So these are the thing, like artificial intelligence can think humanly, right? There is a Turing test is available, so where it need to pass, the AI has to pass Turing test before going with before declaring as a AI. So there's a humanly and rationally, like cognitive modeling, laws of thought, and rational and Turing test. And AI research streams. Four main streams include cognitive modeling, laws of thought, Turing test, and rational agent. Rational agent tests. Rational agents act autonomously, perceive their environment, adapt, and pursue goals. Types of agent. Agents are classified as simple reflex, model-based reflex, goal-based, and utility-based. Agent environment or framework. This framework consists of an agent, its environment, and the goal is to aims to what? Yeah, aims to achieve. Then research priorities for machine learning, enabled AI. So validate framework. Test the machine learning framework with real-world intelligent agents and project mapping. Analyze various AI projects to differentiate between learning and non-learning agents. Understanding human involvement. Investigate the necessary level of human input for agent autonomy. Minimize human involvement. Explore transfer machine learning to reduce human input by adopting models automatically and addressing concept drift, etc. So, what is the conclusion of this research paper? What I have been giving is this clarifies machine learning role in artificial intelligence is main, right? So, machine learning is, it has to be there in the AI. So it's gonna be called as AI, right? So where machine learning helps is it takes the knowledge from the historical data, right? The paper clarifies machine learning role in artificial intelligence. As we know, a framework that distinguishes between simple reflex and learning agents. As we know, we covered up these things. So mainly we gonna cover up like guys, like what I am going explaining is the conclusion, right? The last part of this video. And better, I think we have come across the research paper. The research paper has like agenda, right? The first one is like we're going to explain that, right? It's like abstract, and then introductions, and then visualization tools, and then AI, like artificial intelligence, and the comparisons of this. We have been covered a lot of things. So at last we're going to cover up this like a framework distinguishes between a simple reflex and the learning agents. What is the difference between these things, or these are the modeling agents where you are going to be happy with that, right? So this is basically the research paper, what it aims means it clarifies the relationship between the AI and the machine learning. That's it. No matter whether the paper is good or not. Simple reflex agents uses fixed models. Learning agents can adapt their models. Understanding human involvement is essential for agent autonomy, right? So this has to be the points. Whatever I mentioned, it's going to be cover a lot more. A framework promotes a clarity terminology between machine learning and AI. So hope you understand all this. So instead of going with in depth with a research paper, you can go with this video. Check it out. And in the description box, I have I have pinned this research paper link. You can get to know the more for more further details. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it.